Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. I hope everyone is doing great. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So, what's really happening on the market? We saw some rebounds actually yesterday. Actually, this week, let's say from Friday, last week, Friday, because of NFP, we saw the market starting to push to the upside, downside. So, yeah, it was actually a great one, actually. So, but before we continue to anything, let's check our economic calendar and see if maybe we can get something. So, it was actually dry Monday, Tuesday, but I think we have something here. We have something today. We have something actually. Powell is going to speak around 4:15. So you should check the time. So the market might actually consolidate around that. So tomorrow we have unemployment claims and also Powell. So he's going to speak like every day these days, huh? But it happens especially when it's before the interest rates. So it means the interest rates are closer. I think it's this month. I think, yeah. I think let's check. Let's check if maybe I'm not wrong. I think we have interest rates this month. Let's see CPI next week. Okay, it's going to be interesting. FOMC meeting. Let's see. I don't know. What do we have this month? I thought maybe. Let's hope. Oh, sorry, we had that last week. Yeah, now I'm growing. I forgot. So yeah, we actually had that last week, 1st of November, and they did not really increase the rates, and the market did not really move that much. So where we are now is 8 of November. Nah, man, I'm on October, man. I want this month. So, or since we had some economic news last month, okay, it's this month actually, 1st of November. So this week it's actually just he's going to just talk. I don't know if maybe some discussion or something like that, but I don't think this month we're going to have something. Maybe December, but I don't think we're gonna have anything. But what I like is next week we're going to have some serious economic news. We're going to have CPI, retail sales, and yeah, and unemployment claims. So it's not really that much. So today we're just going to focus here on this one. Not really that important. I don't think the market will panic, but whatever they say mostly is going to actually change the way the market moves. We know about that, right? So not really much. So another thing that you can do, try to check your CNBC. Maybe you might find some updates that can actually push the market. You should learn actually. Remember, on Mondays, as we started this week, on Mondays is going to be fundamentals Monday. Wednesday, like today, we were supposed to go on a live session, but that will happen actually next week. Today we will be going on Trader Nick channel. So, but from next week we're going to go on a live session on Wednesday, and yeah, we're going to just change here and there, not everything. So let's go straight to our chart. What's really happening on our chart? Not really much. We are actually on AUD, USD. The market was pushing very nice, guys. Let me just close this. So I'll try to be as quick as possible. You can see that the market was actually on a very nice downtrend. The market was downtrending. Let's change the color. We need a very brighter one. And the thickness. So you can see that the market was actually on this nice downtrend. Guess what? The market broke out, but you can easily see that even though we were actually on a downtrend, the market was also creating these structures, and the market also respected that. It's a resistance, you can see that. So we were not going to avoid that. I saw that, but we never took any trades there. But it seems like the market wants to bounce back. You can see the market is around this resistance or previous resistance or diagonal resistance. The market maybe might push up, but it seems like the market will end up doing what? The market will end up pushing even lower. And if we got it here, it was going to be much, much better. So this type of a structure is not a fake breakout. It's actually an adjustment, which means we have to adjust our trends lines, and we have to draw them like that. So I just wanted to show you actually that. So let's push to our DXY and see what's really happening. So on DXY, we can see that yesterday, or let's say on Friday, actually since Friday, last Friday, the market actually tried to do what? To push and break this resistance, sorry, this support area. On Friday, because of NFP, we saw a breakout, then the market pushed lower. On the bottom side here, the market created something like a support. But before that, you can see that, yes, that it was a very perfect, straightforward uptrend. So when we go closer, you can easily see that, yes, where the market just broke out, it makes sense. The market broke out there. Now the market is around that area. If we break this resistance, then it means DXY is back on that bullish momentum. If not, it means we're going to have a very, 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 very nice consolidation structure. I think the market might end up pushing like that. That's what I actually see there. That's what I see actually. So I'm expecting maybe the market to just consolidate around this area, as the market already gave us something. You can see the market gave us something there. Also here the market gave us something, but here it's quite straightforward, as the market is where actually it broken out. So if we see a continuation there, that will be confirming this ranging structure, but also it will be confirming that there is enough chance for the market to continue with that trend, which is going to be actually a downtrend. So let's push to the next one, which is actually GBP/JPY. What's really happening? So GBP/JPY was also moving very nice. We were actually on a very nice downtrend. Guess what? The market just broke out there. So what we see here is the market just broke out. We're just waiting for the market to come back and retest around this level, or maybe where it actually broke out. So for now, we can't do much, but we just have to mark this area. You can see the market gave us something there. We have to use that area. We're not saying that it's concluded that this is going to be a resistance. No, we're just saying that since the market is giving us something, we have to use that. So I'm just going to do copy, let's say, control, double that, something like that, and another one maybe here. So now we have actually three structures, and these three structures actually should actually help us to understand where the market is going to actually bounce actually. So there is a chance that the market can actually play around that, or maybe the market can even break and come back and retest around this level before pushing up. But the bigger structure here, or the bigger picture, before we have some solid structures, you can see we don't really have solid structures. What we know is we are starting a very nice uptrend. So we're going to have something like that if this trend keep pushing to the upside. So we're going to have that. But for now, it is still very early. That's why we just think that maybe the market will come around this area or something like that. But I think we will see something like that happens. So for now, I think it's much better just to relax. We don't really have to force. Let's just relax. Yeah, now we are actually on GBP USD. What's really happening? Very nice structure, very nice structure. What we see here is the market was actually on a very nice, downtrend. We had a nice breakout. It seems like the market is going to bounce back there. Let's go there. Let's go there. After we had a very nice wedge structure, which was actually broken, we saw the market crazy pushing up. Now I thought maybe the market was going to respect that area, or maybe it is not. It is still valid. You can see that. I think I think it's supposed to be there, something like that. So if maybe the market wants to go below that area, it means that we are now going to consider this area where the market actually broke out. If the market is going to break this support now, you can see we are actually on a nice support. Already the market showed us something there, so we're going to mark that. So if the market doesn't really push up from here, it means maybe the market might be coming back to towards this area where it broke out. Or maybe the market will just continue pushing lower. That is also possible. But we just have to focus on the structure, because there is a chance for the market to do what? To continue pushing to the upside from there. But this week, I think the market just, it's time for the market just to reverse and do its thing. So we don't really have to just participate in the market unnecessarily. I think we did have a buy pending order here. And now you can see the market is not actually moving. So it means we are actually stuck there. So let's push to the next one. And talking about the signals, you can still join our team, guys. You can still join our team. You can see, you can scan the QR code there, the QR code on your WhatsApp. Then yeah, you can just be part of the team. Talk to me. Which service do you want there? Then yeah, you can be part of the team. So yeah, let's go back on our analysis. So on our analysis, you can see that now we are actually on Euro USD. The market was going very nice on a down trend, very nice. Everything, it was just straightforward. I see we had a continuation of that trend. Inside that trend, it was a nice trend actually, something like that. But it doesn't really matter much, because this is just counter trend or inner trend line. What we have here is the market just broke out of this trend. So now this is the new topic. We have to talk about that, because it seems like the market will be trying to give us actually a new trend. We can see a breakout. Let me zoom there. Let me zoom. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what we see here is the market just broke out. It seems like the market will be coming back for this retest here. I don't know if I zoomed this enough. Okay. So you can see the market just broke out actually. Here, it was our nice resistance. Then the market broke to the upside. It created something there. Now it's coming back. At least here the market touched, bounced back. It seems like it's coming back again. So we might see something like that actually happening. But what I know here is, since we are actually out of this trend, I'm just expecting the market to do what? To actually continue pushing to the upside. I'm expecting it to push to the upside, as we are actually on a new trend. Yes, there is a possibility that the market can actually push lower, but what we have now, this structure is going to help us actually with the new trend. We're going to see if maybe the market is going to play around this. If not, we will see maybe a reversal. But let's hope that maybe we're going to change this downtrend to actually an uptrend. Maybe we might have something like that, and we can start to eat. You know, sometimes to identify the trend very early, it gives us advantage of eating multiple times, you see. But for now, let's just relax, and we don't really have much of the economic news, so it means the market might move very, very, very nice. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold has been actually moving very crazy lately. You can see that previously we had a very nice uptrend. It was pushing up very nice. Guess what? We had an aggressive breakout, and we can see that the market actually did not even try to create a retest. So again, I see a structure, guys. Let me just go maybe on 1 hour. Let's try 1 hour time frame and see if maybe that structure is not actually, let's see. I think around this area we had something. I don't know if it's me. You can let me know on the comment section, because I think we had something around these areas. I think we had something around those areas. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's the market is just showing me things. But I think that can be a proper structure to call it, maybe a potential support actually, because we can easily see here the market is also respecting that. But since it's a bit far or it's a bit older, sometimes it might really not matter that much. So I will just remove that for now, but we will see when time goes on if maybe the market will come back and respect that area. So back to our 4 hours time frame so that we can see proper candlesticks. So what I see here is, yeah, man, I think I think something there. I think something there. You can see that. So yeah, we'll just leave it like this and see. So now my job is to do what, or our job is to actually try and see if maybe the market is going to try to give us maybe a retest there, or maybe the market wants to break out. If it breaks out there, it means we will be looking for a very strong sell, because the market will be breaking out of the structure. I hope you see that. So yes, a reversal, it's also possible. The market can also reverse as the market created something. There is a chance for the market to reverse. But I think this week the market, it's that week where the market is just reversing, retesting. There is nothing much actually. But maybe next week, remember next week we're gonna have CPI. Maybe that is going to be a very good time for us. Yeah. So now let's go actually on the next one. Yeah. On the next one, it's actually US30. What's really happening on US30? What's really happening on US30? I think it's quite straightforward. You can easily see that this thing, or US30, is been actually pushing to the lowest side, and I'm expecting a continuation of that. The market just reached our resistance area there. You can see there. So the question is, will the market respect that? Yesterday, I thought maybe the market was going to push even lower, but you know what? For past 2 days, or let's say this 3 days, actually, the market did not really move that much. You can see that. So let's push a little bit closer. Let's zoom. Let's zoom. Let's zoom. Let's zoom. Let's zoom this a little bit. You can see that the market is actually exactly on the resistance area, and I can see three candlesticks actually trying to push even lower. So I can try maybe to remove this. Yeah, no, it's fine. I don't really have to remove that. So we can see that the market actually, it is not breaking out of this resistance. So which means there is enough pressure there, bearish pressure. Then the market might end up actually giving up and starting to give us that sell. But we've been waiting for that sell since yesterday. We did have a sell. The market is just trying to go against us. But we will see if maybe we can actually have another one, or we can still hold on those trades actually, and see if maybe we're gonna get something. So let's push to the next one, which is a bit scary. It's Nasdaq. It seems to be breaking out of that that resistance. Actually, I cleared this because we were having a class yesterday, mentorship class. For those who want to be, if you want to learn from me, join the team. Let me know, contact me. You can learn. So that you know that the advantage of learning is you actually going to depend on yourself. You're gonna analyze everything that you want to trade. You can able to create your own signals, and it creates confidence, you see. So now what we see here is, we can easily see that, yeah, on Nasdaq it seems like the market just broke out of that structure. Do you see that? We had a very nice, very nice resistance there. I don't know if we can call that a fake, but we can't just say it's a fake because it's not really complete. So there is a chance that maybe the market might continue pushing up, but we have to be way too careful because the market might be adjusting. If you look closer, you will see that, man, we have something like this here. Do you see that area? Do you see this area? If we connect these areas nicely, we might end up getting something. Let's try that. I'm starting from here. Let's try to draw that line. Do you see that? I think that is something. We might have another push to the lower side. I think the market will end up going down. But I'm not saying let's conclude, because we actually had a sell. Hey, the market moved me here yesterday. So I'm expecting maybe we will see. But it seems like a reversal. It seems like the market might respect that and start to push the lower side. But the best thing that we can do is we can just draw a proper line there. If the market is doing that, it's actually going to be an adjustment. It's not really a proper breakout. It's not even a fake breakout. The market is just adjusting that structure. So we will end up drawing these trends like that. So we will adjust them later. But it seems like the market is doing that. It seems like the market is respecting these areas. If it's going to respect these areas, we are going to go full in once the market breaks this area. Then we can say now it's our time to do what? To look for those sell positions. I hope you understand. And if you want to eat, you can join the team, guys. That special, it's ended. Now we are back on another special. You can see that the prices are still very, 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 very affordable. You can't get lifetime signals where people where your mentor it's like actually dedicated every day to give you some very nice signals for this price. So anyways, you can scan that QR code if you want to be part of the team. You will choose whatever that you want to choose there. Then yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.